So today we are up in Harrow near London in the UK, and we've just completed this brick-built outdoor kitchen and pergola. In today's video I'm going to be talking you through how we built it and everything that's included in it. So this is an absolutely beautiful house, and it's set on a hill, so the whole thing is tiered. So you know, you've got the house behind you there, you've got steps coming down here, you've got this gorgeous like a mezzanine terrace here with these huge tiles. I'm not sure what these, I think they're porcelain, but they're about 1 meter square. So you've got this great area here with tables down there, fencing there, and then the garden drops down there with this beautiful landscape garden that goes down there. You've got some stone walling, some sleepers down there, there's a lawn down there, the great path, all the planting, and actually below us here is a swimming pool as well. So when the customer got in touch with us on this one, none of this was here, but what was here is this brickwork section over here. I think it did have a granite worktop. It had a sort of ivory coloured worktop on there, but it had decking, I think decking doors along the front, and then this was also built, this section here, although it is actually a little bit longer. Anyway, the customer wanted to keep those two, but also build a section here, a section for cooking and a bar area for all the friends and family to sit. So the first thing we did when we came on site was to, you know, rip out all of the cladding and everything that was in there and then brick this up. And what we've done on here and here, we've matched the bricks to the existing bits that they had here. They're a red engineering brick. They also had this sink as well that they wanted to reuse, so we've literally put it in exactly the same place that it was before. So we've built that in, and then the same on this side here. Now this was actually slightly longer, and so we've reduced it slightly so that it would fit underneath this pergola. We were talking in the design stage about having the pergola cover the sink section as well, and we could have done it, but what it would have meant was that one of the legs of the pergola would actually be right here in the steps, which the customer didn't really want. So they decided, let's just keep the pergola, let's just keep this sort of cooking area and seating area covered, and the sink can stay uncovered. So same again on this side, we've taken out all of the cladding, bricked it up, and we've left openings for all of the doors and the drawers that you can see there. On the worktops on this, we've gone for a Dekton Nilium. So this is a sort of a creamy colour. It's got these dark sandy waves in it. It works really well with the house. There's so many light creamy colours in here. It matches the house. And if you look at the house itself, the windows, the steps, the doors, they're all the cream colour and the same sort of bricks as well. So let's have a look at the appliances that we've got in here. This here we've got is the Beefeater 1600 series 3 burner. So this is a gas grill. It's got 3 burners. You've got a cast iron griddle there and another one there. This is a really good barbecue, really good price point, really good value for money. I think it looks really cool as well. It's all stainless steel and you've got these anthracite sides to it. There is a 1600E which has a graphite coloured fascia along there, but the barbecue is exactly the same. Coming to here, this is a Blackstone tabletop griddle. It's 22 inches. This is the second one of these. We've actually put another one in another kitchen, and I think the video for that will be coming out in about a month or so. But this is a flat plate, so this is really, really good for doing smash burgers. You can do teppanyaki on there, you can do stir fries on there, breakfast on there. It's a really, really versatile grill. It's gas as well. This one's got 2 burners. There are bigger versions that will go on trolleys. We haven't put one of those in yet. I'm not sure if you're able to take the legs off them and install them and build them in yet, because we've not done that. So for example, on this one, it's on the back, it's got an outlet for the grease, so all of the grease goes into a little tray at the back, and we've left a space for you to be able to take that out and empty the grease. Underneath both of these, by the way, we've also got double doors. These are just the stainless steel Beefeater double doors. For these two, we've connected the gas together onto one regulator, so you've got one bottle behind there that powers these two, and then there's another one down there that powers those two. These are Napoleon drop-in side burners. So these are gas burners, and the drop-in means that you cut a hole into the top of the worktop and then you drop it in. They also do built-in ones where the burner comes right out here and around, and you've got the knobs on the front, you would have to cut a U shape into your brickwork there, and you would slide it onto the worktop there. So they've got two different types, drop-in and built-in. So over here, this is the Alfa Moderno 3, this one. So this is a hybrid. So this is available in the red, grey, and I think it's available in yellow as well. So you can either have a wood-fired version of it where it purely runs on wood, or you can have the hybrid where it runs on gas and on wood. So this one is the hybrid version. So what that means is over here on the left-hand side, you've got all the gas burners. You turn it on, all of the flames come over here and they lick over there. If you wanted to use it in wood-fired version, there's a stainless steel like cover that you'd put over the burners, and then you'd start your fire and have your wood fire over this side, and then it still leaves all of this space in there. So this is a huge oven. You can cook 3 pizzas at a time in there, if you're good enough to make the 3 pizzas at a time. They cook very, very quickly. So this will take probably 20-25 minutes to get up to heat, and then those pizzas will take about 90 seconds to cook. I have actually done a video on that, a review of it, so if you're interested in those ovens, we'll leave a link either down below or up here, and you can go along and have a look at that. So here, this is an outdoor fridge. This is an HCK outdoor fridge. It's a double fridge. It's a stainless steel outer casing and then glass fronted there, so you can see what's in there. These are really good. They're locked as well. You can lock them, so if you've got kids, young kids running around, you can lock up all your wine and your beers in there. Coming over to here, we've got the this is a butler sink which the customer had already, and they just wanted to reuse it. So obviously this was here before. We've taken the old worktops off, got rid of it, replaced it with the Dekton, and then simply put the sink underneath with the stainless steel tap. And again, we've got the double stainless steel doors, and that provides access under there, lots of storage and access to the utilities, you know, the electric, the water, the waste that's in there. So the whole kitchen itself, or this part of the kitchen, sits underneath this aluminium pergola. Now this is 4 meters long by 3.6 meters deep, I think. This is a pebble color. This is a Nova Titan pergola. So this is a manual one. There are electric ones available as well. So this, you've got the crank here, and you can open up the louvres like that, and it opens it up to let all the sun, if you're cooking on the pizza oven or something like that, it'll let all the smoke out as well. So that's very, very easy to open and close. Every single side on here has got a blind as well. So actually, where this area is got lots of leaves, if you keep the blinds down, it actually keeps all the leaves out. It helps to keep it nice and clean. Coming around to here also, we've got one heater there and one heater there, so that keeps this whole space nice and warm. So even when you're sitting there at the bar, you're nice and toasty, so you can come out in the evenings and enjoy it as well. Even in the winter, you can come out and enjoy it. What we've done here is run the wires along the top there, down here, and there's a socket on the back of the leg down there. So this is such a cool kitchen. I mean, you can sit 6 people over there, get your friends and family, you can entertain here, you can cook, you can make pizzas. It's got every base covered, and it just works really, really well with the house. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We try and post these on YouTube once a week. So if you want to see another one, if you're looking for ideas or inspiration, we'll post another one up here. Go and take a look, and hopefully that will help you out. We also have Instagram, and we have Facebook, and we try and post on there a few times a week as well. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.